Hi there, it's Ina here, and today I want to make a collage. And so I collected these images I cut from magazines and a garden journal, pretty flowers, and also this nice bird. And now I want to make a page for my large art journal, and I covered the page with black gesso to start with. And now I will go ahead and add a little more detail to the background. like always, I want to give you a last look at the finished page. Now this is really not made with fancy materials or mediums. It has no fancy techniques. It was mainly just cutting and gluing and a lot of outlining, which by the way I find very relaxing, especially inside these intricate flower designs. And in the end I added this quote, "The voyage for those who love art." And well, because voyage reminded me on the journey of doing, just creating something, it really does not matter how fancy it is or how simple, what supplies you use or what techniques you used or didn't use. As long as you're having fun, I think it's very beneficial. So I had these rub-ons laying around for a long time, which had all these motivational words. So I added quite a few here. This one says discover. This one says treasure, learn, imagine, dream, motivate, aspire, create, wish, and inspirations. And I think those things all have to do with creating art. So I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. Thank you so much for coming and watching. See you really soon again. Bye bye for now.